Sandeep, good afternoon. In the previous session, we are discussing the formula, isn't it? We learned 8 formula based on the sum and difference. Are you ready? Who is ready to give all the 8 formulas together? Who is ready? Yes, raise your hand. Yes, try it. Who is ready? You try it, children. At least one of you try it. Who is ready? Yes. Who is ready? Raise your hand. Alantina. Try it, Alantina. Try. Yeah.
Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus sin B cos A. Sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus sin B cos A. Then cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Cot A plus B is equal to 1 minus cot A cot B by cot A plus cot B. Cot A minus B is equal to 1 plus cot A cot B by cot A minus cot B.
Cot went wrong. Okay. Only that part went wrong. Till tan it is okay. Okay. Anyhow, very good. Okay. Very good. Who is the next one? At least that cot formula, who will be ready to say that? Cot A plus B and cot A minus B. Tom?
Cot A plus B is cot A cot B minus 1 divided by cot A plus cot B. And then cot A minus cot A minus B is cot A cot B plus 1 divided by cot B minus cot A.
Very good. Yes. Next. Navneet, are you ready? No. Yes. Anashwarya. Yes, Anashwarya.
Which one should I say?
Or start from the beginning.
Cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B. Sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Tan A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Cot A plus B equal to 1 minus cot A cot B by cot A plus cot B. Then cot A minus B equal to 1 plus cot A cot B by cot B minus cot A.
Okay, one thing I want to check. What is the formula you wrote for cot of A plus B? Look at there. What is cot of A plus B? Joel, read the formula what you wrote in your notebook. Cot of A plus B is cot A. Yes, Joel.
Cot A cot B minus 1 by cot A cot B.
Okay, note down. Okay, that is okay. Anashwarya and Tom did the same mistake. Okay, so I thought I may suppose whether I wrote it wrongly on the board. Cot A cot B minus 1. Cot of A plus B is cot A cot B minus 1. It is not 1 minus. Okay, for tan only we will get 1 plus or 1 minus, but for cot we'll get minus 1 or plus 1. Okay. Okay, shall we start? Shall we do a few more questions based on this? In the next class, others get ready. Okay. Yes.
The last equation is it cot B minus cot A or cot A minus cot B?
Cot B minus cot A. Cot B cot A minus B, isn't it? That is what you are asking. Cot A minus B is cot B minus cot A. Okay. Now take your textbook, exercise 3.3. Till which one we did? I think till sixth one we completed. Okay. Till sixth one we completed. Now let us do the seventh one. Seventh one is a very important one. Very, very important one. You include this in your formula book. Note down that along with the formula. Okay, so that one you can include with your formula. Okay, now listen, seventh one. Tan pi by 4 plus x by tan of pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x the whole square. You have to prove tan of pi by 4 plus x by tan of pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x the whole square. So you start with LHS. So in LHS, what we can do? For the numerator, you can apply the identity tan of A plus B, isn't it? And denominator, we can apply the identity tan of A minus B. Aman, what is tan of A plus B? Aman.
So tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B.
Yes. So tan of 45 plus x means it is tan A. In the place of A, we have 45 plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. By 1 minus tan A tan B. Whole thing by, here we'll get equal to. Again here, tan A plus tan A minus tan B is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan pi by 4 into tan x. But what is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1, isn't it? Tan 45 is 1. So we get 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan 45 is 1 by 1 minus tan x by, again in the denominator, 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. So we can write like this as 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x into its reciprocal. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. Look at here. The same term is repeated there. So we can write this as 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x the whole square, which is equivalent to RHS. Hence, we have proved LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so this one we'll be learning along with the formula. Okay, write down this proof as a formula. Tan pi by 4 plus x, tan 45 is 1. Look at here. If it is plus, here also we write plus. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x, the whole square. Tan pi by 4 plus x by tan pi by 4 minus x is 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x, the whole square. Finished? Okay, now note down one more formula. That one as, okay, note down this as homework. Tan of pi by 4 minus x by tan of pi by 4 plus x. Tan of pi by 4 minus x by tan of pi by 4 plus x is equal to, what will be the answer? It will be 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x the whole square. Okay. Write down this in your formula booklet, as well as try to prove this. Try to prove this. Note down this as a formula. Okay, while doing problems, we'll be using this formula. We'll not be proving it. We'll not be proving the entire thing again and again. We will take this as a formula and we will prove. Finished? Now write the next one, 8th question. 8th one, prove that. What's the question? 8th one. And Mary, read the question. And Mary, 8th one, read the question.
Cos pi plus x. Oh no.
Cos pi plus x.
In cos minus x
Hmm.
by
Hmm.
sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus s equal to cot square x.
Okay. We have to prove this is equivalent to cot square x, isn't it? So here again, the direct formula application. What is cos of pi plus x? Naveen Rashid, cos of pi plus x. Identities, formula. Cos of pi plus x is Naveen. Cos of pi plus x is cos of pi plus x.
I don't know.
Don't know.
No.
Pooja, what is cos of pi plus x?
Negative cos x.
Negative cos x into, what is cos of minus theta? What
Cos
is,
x.
1 second, children, I'm getting a call from. Cos of minus theta is, children, cos of minus theta is cos theta, isn't it? And what is sine of 180 minus theta? It is sine theta. And what about cos of 90 plus x? What is cos of 90 plus x? 90 is there. Whenever we get 90 and 270, we have tried the complementary angle, isn't it? And what about 90 plus x? It will become minus sin x, isn't it? So we get minus cos square x by minus sine square x. What is cos by sine? Cot, isn't it? It will be minus cot square x. It is minus cot square x. It's minus cot square x. Yes?
It is plus cot square x, right?
Sorry, yes, it is plus cot square x. Negative, both the negatives will join and it will become plus. Yes, it is positive cot square x. Okay? Now look at the next one, ninth one. Listen to the ninth one. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x into cos 2 pi plus x whole thing into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x plus cot 2 pi plus x. We have to prove that is equivalent to 1. We have to prove that is equivalent to 1. Okay, so you start with simplifying the first term. What is cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x? 3 pi by 2 means it is 270. So what is cos 270 plus theta? Whenever we get 270 or 90, cos will become sine, isn't it? So, Jewel, what is cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x? You can draw the quadrant and you can check, isn't it? 0, 90, 180, 270. 270 plus theta. 270 plus something means in which quadrant?
Fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant. So, what is the answer? Is it plus?
Negative.
How will you get negative? You have to look at this first one. Okay, it is not the changed one. All silver teacups. So, cos is positive. Is that no?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is the answer? It is
Positive cos.
positive sin x. Okay. Cos will become sine because of this 3 pi by 2. And look at the sign. Based on the sign, cos of 270 plus something means in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, cos and its reciprocal is positive. So we'll get sin x. Navaneeth, what is cos 2 pi plus x? Navaneeth, cos 2 pi plus x. Navaneeth is there? Atulya, cos 2 pi plus x.
Cos x.
It is cos x. 2 pi will coincide with 0, isn't it? Into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. And Mary, cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. Cot 3 pi by 2 minus x.
Tan x.
It will become tan x plus, okay, because cot 270 minus means it will be in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. And what about the next one? Cot of 2 pi plus x. Cot of 2 pi plus x. Malavika.
Cot x.
Cot x. Okay, so next step is simplify this. Convert everything in terms of sine and cos. Cos x into tan x, we can write this as sine x by cos x. Plus cot x, we can write this as cos x by sine x. Again, take the LCM. So it is sine x into cos x. If you take the LCM, we will get cos x sine x, isn't it? Cos x sine x. You cross multiply this. When we cross multiply this, we'll get sine square x plus cos square x. Sine square x plus cos square x. But what? Okay, So these two will get cancelled, sine and sine, cos and cos, sine square x plus cos square x, which is equivalent to 1 identity. Using the trigonometric identity, it is same as 1. Now write the next one. Write the next one. Prove that sine of n plus 1x, sine of n plus 2x, prove that sine of n plus 1x into sine n plus 2x plus cos of n plus 1x into cos of n plus 2x cos of n plus 2x is equal to cos x, is equal to cos x. N plus 1x, n plus 2x plus cos of n plus 1x cos n plus 2x. Prove that this is equivalent to cos x. How to do this? How will you do this, Shabarinath?
Take the x inside the bracket
Ah,
and
What?
use the identity a plus b.
yes. Okay. Okay, listen, children. You put n plus 1 into x as a and n plus 2 into x as b. So it takes the form, sin a sin b plus cos a cos b. Sin a sin b plus cos a cos b. John Jos, what is sin a sin b plus cos a cos b?
And cos a minus b.
Cos a minus b. It is cos of a minus b. So which is cos n plus 1 into x minus n plus 2 into x. So that is cos of, when you open the bracket, it is nx plus x minus nx minus 2x. Yes or no? Minus is common for the whole term. So plus x minus x will get cancelled. So it is cos of x minus 2x, which will be same as cos of minus x. What is cos of minus theta? Which is cos theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. Okay. So now listen. Then okay, now we are going to learn the next set of formula. Okay, multiple angles formula. Right. multiple angles formula. Multiple angles formula. Listen, all of you. All of you keep your pen down, sit straight. Listen, all of you. Okay, what is sine of A plus B? What is the formula we have learned? Sine of A plus B is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Okay, suppose I want to find the formula for sine 2A. Sine 2A. 2A means how we can split this? It is sine of A plus A. Isn't it? In the place of B also we have to put A. Sine of A plus A. Okay, so in the place of B you can put A. So what you will get by the expansion? Sine A cos A plus cos A sine A. Is it correct? So we get sine 2A is equal to 2 sine A cos A. This is the first formula. Sine 2A is equal to 2 sine A cos A. Sine 2A is 2 sine A cos A. Okay, what is the formula here? What is sine 2A? Multiples. Okay, multiple angles formula. Sine 2A is equal to 2 sine A cos A. Now, listen, the formula is not over. This one further, we can simplify it. Listen, all of you. Listen. So, the sine 2A, we can write this as 2 sine A cos A by 1. Denominator, is it 1? So, this 1, we can replace it with identity sine square A plus cos square A. We can replace it with the identity. 1 means it is sine square A by cos square A. Now listen all of you. Divide the numerator and denominator by cos square A. Why we are doing this, I'll explain once we complete this proof. Okay. Divide the numerator and denominator by cos square A. Divide the numerator and denominator by cos square A. Now here what happens? One cos will get cancelled. 2 sine by cos. 2 into sine by cos, it will become tan A by the denominator. When we split this, it will become sine square A by cos square A plus cos square A by cos square A. So which is equivalent to 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. These two will get cancelled. 1 sine by cos is tan. So here we divide everything by cos because we want the multiple angle of sine 2A in terms of tan. Sine 2A in terms of tan. To convert sine 2A in terms of tan. Tan means sine by cos. So we divide by cos square A. What is sine 2A in terms of tan? 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Sine 2A is 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. For sine 2A, thus we have two formula. One is 2 sine A cos A. What is the second formula? Sine 2A is 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Sine 2A is 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Yes? Is it clear? Is it okay? Hmm? Okay, children. Okay, so sine 2a we derived. Okay, try in the same manner. What you do? Try to find out what is cos 2a. Cos 2a will be learning 4 formulas. Cos 2a, how many formulas are there? 4. You try to derive at least 1 or 2 formula. Okay. Okay, children. With this, I wind up today's session now. Okay, learn the formula and come. For the next class, learn all the formula and come. Along with that, one activity is given. What is the activity? Formula booklet. Be ready for submitting it. Formula booklet. Okay? Okay, children. Thank you. Yes, Atulya?